Ever wanted to effortlessly explore and manipulate code from a GitHub project directly in your Jupyter Notebook? Let's dive in. First, head over to the GitHub project you're interested in, locate the project's web address or URL, and copy it. This is crucial for telling your Jupyter Notebook where to find the project. Next, open your Jupyter Notebook environment in a new cell within your notebook. We're going to use a command called git clone. This magic command tells your notebook to grab that project from GitHub and place it neatly within your notebook's file structure. After typing the command followed by a space, paste in the URL you copied earlier. Now, run the cell. Jupyter Notebook immediately starts downloading all of the project's files into your notebook's working directory. This might take a few seconds depending on the project's size and your internet speed. Once the download completes, let's explore. Look for a folder with the same name as the project on GitHub. Within it, you'll find all the project's files, including potentially the source code, data files, and of course, Jupyter Notebook files if the project has any. Now, open a notebook file with the append extension within that project folder. You can now interactively execute the code, modify it, and analyze the results, all within the Jupyter Notebook's environment. Finally, experiment. Change the code, run it again, and see how the outputs change. Remember, any changes you make are only stored within your current notebook environment and won't affect the original project on GitHub. Unless you are using the GitHub environment, you can also save a copy of the notebook files with your edits. And that's it. You've successfully imported and started playing with a GitHub project in your Jupyter Notebook. Happy coding! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool data science and analysis tips.